Hello everyone, my name is Ripper, and today I have this Bluerigger high-speed HDMI cable with Ethernet, and it supports 3D, 4K and audio return. And basically it's an HDMI cable to transfer your HDMI cable from one source to another. So before any delay, let's get head on to unboxing. Alright, so just keep this thing aside. Here actually we have the bill and all those things. Just keep this, all of these things aside. What's this? I don't know. Okay, so here we have the Bluerigger HDMI to HDMI cable, and this is probably the one of the best HDMI cables that you would get in the market. It's cheap, it's really durable, it actually works what it's made for, and it's one of the best quality product that you would get in the market. It's actually comparable to the Monster HDMI cable, which is quite costly, but this one is really cheap. As per the Indian price, you're gonna get this in around 500 bucks or might be 600 bucks, but as compared to all the other HDMI cable, this is really a very good product. So that's one of the reasons why I bought this thing. Okay, so let's open this one. I do unbox this. It's really so packed, so tightly packed. Okay, here we go. Alright. Okay, so at the top of the box, you can see its model number says HDMI NB6 foot 6.6 feet. Actually, it's 2 meter, and it's blue. I'm sorry, it's black in the color. I'm sorry. So you can see the cable. We got the cable is 2 meter round, and what do we have in the box? It actually says that limited lifetime hardware warranty. That's good. Get this box aside and let's see this cable. Okay, let's open this one. I can actually feel the sturdiness and this strong quality of this cable right into my hand. I've actually used many other HDMI cables before, but this seems to be much better than all of this. Okay, so guys, as you can see, we have the Bluerigger branding right in the connector, and as you can see here, I hope you can see the Bluerigger branding over here and here and here too. So the cable is really hard. It's so sturdy. The quality is really great. And one of the thing that I would like to mention here is it's a full metal jacket connector, which is a very good. Resist you to some burns and some damages inside if you use this cable a lot, because most of the cables, when you use this cable, it actually transfers data at a very high speed, and most of the time the internal foil and the shield gets burned. So if you use this HDMI cable, you will be get rid of this. Let's talk about the specification. This cable can support 3D, it can support audio return, it can support Ethernet and the Dolby True HD 2, and this cable is actually compatible to your all the gaming consoles, your PS3, your PS4, your X360 and Xbox One, and all the Blu-ray players and projectors and every single source which is required HDMI to HDMI transfer. So this is working at every other. This cable can work at any of the compatible devices. Also, this cable supports up to 720p, 180i, 180p, and even 1440p. So this is really great. And also, one of the most striking feature of this cable that the company is providing you a lifetime warranty. And if you want to buy this product, you can get it through the link which is in the description down there. You can go to that link. You can buy that from this product from there. And I'll be testing this cable in my next setup, and I'll create another video for you guys, and I'll show you the performance of this HDMI cable. So I hope to see you in my next video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, any queries, please write down in the comment below. I would like to answer all of your questions and queries, and I hope to see you in my next video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Hello everyone, my name is Ripper, and today I have this Bluerigger high-speed HDMI cable with Ethernet, and it supports 3D, 4K and audio return. And basically it's an HDMI cable to transfer your HDMI cable from one source to another. So before any delay, let's head on to unboxing.